Kahoot is a free online website that both teachers and students can use. As a teacher, you can put together Kahoot on any topic and have the class log in and compete against one another to guess the correct answer. It's a fun and interactive way for students to learn instead of reading off a PowerPoint and keeps the class more engaged. As a student, you can also create your own Kahoot or search previous made Kahoots on a topic of your choice. So when you log into Kahoot, you're brought to a login screen where you can sign up. I chose to log in with my email, so I'm going to use my email and go ahead and log in now. And then it brings you to this main screen where you can type in and search for any Kahoots that you want, or you can go up in the top right corner and hit create. So you can either create a quiz, a jumble, a survey, or a discussion. As a teacher, I would most likely create a quiz. And then the title could be, so we're going to go ahead and do types of dogs. And the description can be questions on different puppies. And you'll make it visible to everyone. The audience can be a school. And you'll sit, okay, go. You can add an image, but we'll just do that later. So then it's going to bring you to this main screen of types of dogs, and you can go ahead and add a question. So question 1 can be, what dog has black and white spots? And then answer 1, we'll put golden retriever. Answer 2, we'll put a dachshund. For answer 3, we will do a Dalmatian, which is the correct answer. And answer 4 would be a Jack Russell. And then we'll put a green arrow on answer 3 because that's the correct answer for this question. And after creating that question, you can go ahead and add another, or you can go ahead and hit save. And it has now been published types of dogs. So you can edit it, you can play it, or you can share it. So if you want to share it via email, you can click on that and copy the link and send it to someone, or you can hit play. And then it'll give you player versus player, or you can play in teams as well, which is 2 options. So you can either split your classroom in half or have them play all against each other. So you can just hit classic. And then when you hit ready to join, it will give you the game pin, and the game pin is what you're going to need to give your classroom. So when they type in kahoot.it, that's the pin they'll put in, and that'll bring you right to the quiz you had created for them to take. Very good. As a future teacher, I will use Kahoot as my forms of testing and assessments within the classroom. I will also use the website to help review for any upcoming quizzes, and even have the students create their own Kahoots as well so that they can play it in their spare time.